Hello, my name is Lucila Esther Barrios Orozco, a student of Corporation Curiben Secar, fourth semester. Today I will take about favorite food, applying to neither either. 1. I think the beaches is the best and the Caribbean and coast. Me too, because beside being great, it is part of the gastronomy. 2. I think chicken is part of the meat. Either of the two because they're rich. 3. I think the hamburger is more nutritious. The hot dog, neither. They are junk food. 4. True that women like chocolate is and cream. So, we because I love chocolate is and cream. 5. The Paisa Tree restaurant represent Antioquia. 2. Because it is the emblem of Antioquia gastronomy. 6. During Halloween weekend, Easter the community could sweet in special food. So, with our I lost in on the teeth is the month of April. 7. I think that in December there more dinners. Me too, because the month where the family had the most in the 24 and 31 Christmas dinner. 8. I think that the seafood casserole and the ajiaco are represented in Barranquilla. Neither. That because the ajiaco is from Bogota and the seafood casserole from Cartagena. 9. I think roast beef is the parent and stuff. Neither because I don't like meat. 10. I think that pasta is healthier than the sandwich. Me too, because pasta is nutritious. 11. I imagined that fish soup costs more than chicken soup. Me too, because fish soup is more expensive. 12. I think that rice the chicken is part B is like the B avocados. Neither, because I prefer paracones. 13. I think that the best food in from Colombia. Me too, I love all your question. 14. I think you have to know Colombia and fish native food. Either area has exclusive food um exclusive food. 15. I think what the fish and paracone is my favorite food. So I love that these two. Bye bye. Thank you.